Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain the key of July 9, 2020 and the topic Getting to Know the Plants. In this assignment, we are going to discuss about the Datura flower. How the Datura flower is to be there and what are the parts and what are the colors and the conditions where the Datura flower exhibits. So in this assignment, the first question is how many sepals does Datura flower have? So they are asking how many sepals does Datura flower is contain. So Datura flower is containing 5 sepals. It is containing 5 sepals. And the next question, second question, are they joined together? They are asking whether the sepals are joined or not. Yes, in Datura flower they are joined. As all the sepals are joined, we used to call it as a gamosepalous. The condition of joined sepals we used to call as gamosepalous. And the next question, third one, what are the colors of the petals and sepals? They are asking what are the colors of the petals and sepals of a Datura flower. The petals used to be in white in color and the sepals used to be green in color in a Datura flower. And the next question, fourth question, how many petals does Datura flower have? How many petals does Datura flower have? The answer is they have the 5 petals. They have 5 petals and all these 5 petals they all are joined together. They all are joined together as all the petals are joined, then we used to call this type of condition is gamopetalous. The condition we used to call as gamopetalous. And the next question, fifth one, if you remove the sepals and petals of a Datura flower, the parts seen are dash and dash. So if you remove the sepals and petals of the Datura flower, we used to find stamens. What we used to find? Stamens and pistil. Stamens and the pistil are the structures which we used to find inside the Datura flower. And the next question, sixth one, what are stamens? So as we said that stamens are present inside the flower and they are asking what are stamens. Stamens are male reproductive parts of a flower. Parts of a flower. So stamens are male reproductive parts of a flower. And the next question, seventh one. What is pistil? What is pistil? The pistil is a female reproductive part of flower. It is a female reproductive part of a flower. So here I have drawn the diagram. This is the pistil. It is a female reproductive part of a flower. This is a stamen, where it is a male reproductive part of a flower. And the next question. Next question, eighth one. The innermost part of a flower, is called the dash. So what they are asking, if you see the flower, what is the innermost layer? See here the structure of flower. So this is the structure of flower. If you see the flower, this is the structure of flower. So these are sepals is the outermost layer. These are the sepals, and these are the petals, and after petals stamens are there. Inside the stamens, in center, we used to find the pistil. Pistil is the innermost layer of the flower. What is the answer? Answer is pistil. Pistil is the innermost layer of the flower. And the next one. And the next question, ninth one. Draw a neat diagram of pistil. So draw a neat diagram of pistil. So if you see the diagram, this is the neat structure of a pistil, where it contains the stigma and the style, long stalk-like style, and the ovary. Inside the ovary, ovules will be present. This is the structure of pistil. And the 10th question. 10th question. Draw a neat diagram of stamen. Neat diagram of stamen. So here you can see this is the structure of stamen. It is containing a filament, and this is the anther. Inside the anther, pollen grains used to be there. So these are the two structures of pistil and stamen. So I hope everyone is clear with the questions and answers. Thank you.